So we ended up leaving Melbourne about 10 o'clock this morning, and we've been driving and stopping since. We're in Gundagai at the minute. We just stopped to get a coffee. We're about another 2 hours back to Canberra, and I just hopped out to see the dog on the tackle box. So gonna get back in the car and keep driving, and hopefully we should be home about 7 o'clock tonight. It's Tuesday morning. So yesterday was a public holiday and it was our long drive home from Melbourne. So that was a crazy weekend. We drove down early Saturday, spent all day Sunday there, and then drove home Monday. So oh my god, it's a long way. It's such a long way in a car. So yeah, I don't think it's something I'll be hurrying to do again, but we had a brilliant time. The Alice in Wonderland exhibition was just phenomenal. I'm so glad we got to see it, and my daughter's such a huge Alice in Wonderland fan, so she loved it, absolutely loved it. And then Kartika surprised us with tickets to go and see The Wizard of Oz on the stage on Saturday night, and that was just amazing as well. So we had a really brilliant time. We packed a lot into the really short time we were there, and it was just awesome. So we got home around 7 o'clock last night, so sort of just chilled out and unpacked and did all that kind of stuff. And now it's Tuesday and I'm actually on my way to my new job. So I'm doing my best impression of a normal person with a job. I don't know what that looks like, so hopefully this is passable. So, and yeah, I've just dropped my daughter at school and now I'm heading there ready to start at 9:30. So I'm quite nervous. It's been such a long time since I've worked for anyone else, but I'm quite excited as well to do something new. I think I need the challenge of something new in my life. So, and I think knowing it's only a temporary job as well kind of helps with the nerves. So, and if I like it, who knows, maybe something else will come along. I'll see what happens. So I'm going in nervous but really open-minded to what it is and what the possibilities are and where this could take me. So I better go. So it's day 2 of my new job today. Yesterday was a lot of orientation and meeting people and filling in forms and paperwork and getting to know what we're going to be doing. So this morning we're kind of launching into the actual job. So I actually really enjoyed being in that environment. Everyone was really lovely, really friendly, really welcoming. So happy to be going back today. And then tonight, my sale starts tonight. I've got so much to do as soon as I get home from work today, to get everything ready to start listing for the sale. So I'm going to list a few things every day, probably around 7 o'clock every night, and hopefully get rid of some of the stuff in the studio. Hey, Sam's here, and we are going to make over this dress for a future Rocked Up Frocks video, and for Sam to wear to a rather posh gala ball in a couple of weeks as well. So I found this dress for $12 in the Salvos. Let me move back so you can see it. So this dress is pure silk, it's vintage, and it fits Sam like a glove, so we're not even going to touch the fit. It's like it's made for you. I can't get over it. It was one of those dresses that I just saw and I just had to buy. I didn't know what it was for or who would wear it, but it was one of those ones.
I'm the one that gets to reap the winnings.
It was one of those ones I just couldn't leave there. It was too good, so I can't wait. We're going to add some black lace and crystals and keep it black and sparkly and glam and make a beautiful headpiece together with it. So next week we will film the ending. So that'll be hitting the channel in about a week and a half's time. Hi, it's Friday afternoon. So Wednesday evening after Sam left, I started uploading my sales stuff to that event page. I've got quite a few things up there so far, so go and check it out if you want to buy. I'm selling all sorts of stuff, gradually uploading more and more. Go and check it out. There's loads of stuff that's complete bargains. I've sold a few things so far, which is cool. Hoping to shift a whole load more of it, make some room in the studio for new things as well. I survived my first week of my office job. I'm only working 3 days, so yeah, I'm feeling like a little bit like a fish out of water. Hopefully I'm doing okay and picking it up. There's a lot of information to take in, a lot of processes to learn. The girl who's really been helping me, who I'm sat next to, is on holiday next week, so I'm kind of on my own Tuesday and Wednesday next week, but I'll figure it out. There's loads of other people there to ask if I get stuck, and everyone's really helpful and lovely, so I'm sure it will be fine. And right now I've got my car loaded with dresses and mannequins, and I'm off to help Kelly from Pure Pod set up for her ethical fashion dinner tomorrow night. So yeah, it's really exciting. She's got loads of people coming. She's got some key figures from the sustainable fashion industry, and we all get to mingle and chat and then have a beautiful dinner that's all local food, local wine, and yeah, really excited. So I'm off to meet her now and help her get everything ready. This is our setting up looks, and then tomorrow's our super glam look.
Yeah. Well, hopefully there'll be difference.
I don't know what the hell I'm going to wear.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Cool. So we are at Cardiff. We've got all the tables in place, and Sandra and Kelly are putting all the plates and cutlery out and transforming this space into something fabulous. It was already fabulous, but we're making it even more fabulous for Kelly's dinner tomorrow night. And I better go and help instead of filming them. This is how I roll on a Friday night. Da-da-da. What are you two doing? What's going on here, huh? What are you doing? Oh, is he washing your paw? They're on my lap. I can't feel my legs. Oh my god, I think you two actually love each other.
Getting an ear wash.
I've never seen them do that before. How cute's that? You doing, Max? Oh, bless you. Are you allergic to dogs? I think Max is jealous because Rocket's nearer me. Oh, Maxie, you upset?
Maxie.
You know my legs. Hey, Rocket. Rocket. Rocket dog. No, he's only got eyes for Max. Oh, he finishes as soon as I film. Little squish. Look at your face. There's paw on my hand. I'm going to turn the camera off and there's a big paw on it. It's Saturday. I took my red eyelashes off this morning. They were starting to look really tatty, so it feels weird having short. I've got mascara on, but they feel so short after having those big dramatic coloured lashes on. So I will go and see Marie and get them put back on in a few weeks' time, I think. I'm just going to give my eyes a little break. As much as I love them, it feels nice to be able to rub my eyes and wash my face without being really gentle. So yeah, I'll get them back in a few weeks, and I think I might go a different colour this time, so we'll see. Today I'm filming tomorrow's rock type frock video, and I'm altering Kartika's bridesmaid's dress that she wore for our friend Belle's wedding last year. Really pretty navy blue dress, but she just wasn't going to wear it again as it was. So I've shortened it, I've added sequins underneath it, and now I'm going to deal with the bodice. So she found this lace quite itchy when she wore it for the wedding, so I'm going to do something with that. But I've got less than an hour to get this finished and filmed, and then she's wearing it to Kelly's dinner tonight. So it's about 2 o'clock now. I have to have this finished by 3. Then I have to get myself ready, like wash my, look at the state of my hair. I have to wash my hair, do my makeup by 4. Kartika's coming to film the end of this. Then we have to be up there to help Kelly finish setting up. So I've got an hour to get this done, which is crazy. Why do I do this to myself? But Kartika, I love it because Kartika just completely trusts me. So she doesn't know what I'm doing. We talked about doing like a high-low hem and sequins under the, woo, look how pretty they are, under the chiffon layer a little while ago. So I've done that. But I'm actually going to add some colour to the bodice. I've got pink here and I've got this beautiful teal lace. So I'm about to work out exactly where I'm going to put that. And I think I'm going to do something quite asymmetrical with a little sleeve in the pink, maybe something like that. And then some green lace coming down on one side, and then keep the other shoulder just blue. So we are all frocked up, and we are at Cardiff Collective for Kelly from Pure Pod. She's holding an ethical fashion dinner tonight. So we're wearing our upcycled stuff. I've got a display here of some of my dresses as well. And we've just finished helping style the tables, and everyone's going to be arriving really soon. Hey, it's Sunday afternoon and I'm so tired. Oh my god, like crap, I look really tired. So yesterday was a really late night after Kelly's dinner finished. We had to pack up and get everything home. It was such an amazing evening. It was so good to be in that room, just surrounded by like-minded, inspirational women who are all doing incredible things in the sustainable and ethical fashion world. With some great discussions about what we can do, what still needs to be done, and just talking about ideas for how we can encourage more people to think about how they consume fashion. So it was an amazing, amazing night. It went so fast, so fast. The food was incredible. I've spoken in the past about I do some voluntary work with an organisation called Global Sisters, who help refugee women start their own businesses by teaming them with mentors to give them the skills they need to start their own business. And all the catering that was done last night for Kelly's dinner was by a group of these amazing women. They're from South Sudan. They're called the White Nile Women, and they put on the most incredible vegetarian and vegan feast for us all. It was so good. It was so good. I could eat that every day. It was just beautiful, beautiful food. And I wish them all the best in their business. Once they're up and running, I will share links to all their social media and everything. And if you're in Canberra and you're looking for something a little bit different for a catering option, I can totally recommend them. They were just Amazing women, so lovely, so professional, and the food was just exquisite. So then we had local wine from Lark Hill Winery, which is a Canberra area winery, and yeah, it was just a really, really great night. Met some really brilliant people. Met some people I've wanted to meet for a while who are doing stuff in Canberra and beyond with ethical fashion. Just had great chats with people, and it just felt like I blinked and the whole night was gone. So Kelly, thank you for putting on such an amazing event. It was my birthday yesterday as well, and Kelly surprised me with the most gorgeous little vegan cake that was watermelon and candy floss sprinkled with little stars with dates and raspberries. And I feel so bad because I was so full from all the amazing food for dinner that I couldn't even eat it. I ate some of the candy floss. But oh, she made me cry, and everyone sang happy birthday, and I can't think of a better way to spend my birthday than surrounded by those amazing women in that room last night. So Kelly, thank you for putting on such an amazing event and for bringing all those people together. So today I have edited my video of Kartika's rocked up dress, I'm editing the vlog, and then I think I just need to lie on the couch and relax tonight. I'm so tired. So tired. So early night for me, and then up early and back into it and sewing again, and it's, yeah, never ending, but I wouldn't have it any other way. So that's all for this week. See you next week.